Good day, everyone. I'm your speaker for today. Today, we will tackle about this question. Should higher education be free? The pursuit of higher education is widely recognized as a crucial determinant of future career success and financial security. However, the ever-increasing cost of tuition fees presents a formidable barrier for many aspiring students, disproportionately impacting those from lower socioeconomic backgrounds. This essay argues that the social benefits of free higher education significantly outweigh the financial burdens, making it worthwhile investment in the future. Firstly, free higher education would dramatically enhance social equity. Currently, access to the higher education is often privileged for the affluent, perpetuating a cycle of inequality. By eliminating tuition fees, we would create level playing field, enabling students from low-income families to compete a place based on merit, not financial resources. This would lead a more diverse and highly skilled workforce, boosting economic productivity and innovation. Furthermore, the elimination of crippling student loan would allow graduates to pursue their chosen careers without the constant financial pressure, fostering greater entrepreneurial spirit and career satisfaction. The current system forces many graduates into high-paying but potentially unfulfilling jobs solely to repair loans. Secondly, the long-term societal benefits of a highly educated populace are substantial. A more educated citizenry is better equipped to engage in informed civic participation, leading to stronger democratic situations and more effective governance. Higher level of education are also correlated with lower crime rates, improved public health outcomes, and increased. Moreover, a more educated workplace is better positioned to adapt and rapidly evolving demands of the global economy. The counter-argument of a centers on the substantial financial burden on taxpayers. However, this concern must be weighed against the long-term economic and social perks. The increased tax revenue generated by a more product and highly skilled workforce, coupled with reduced associated with the social welfare programs. In conclusion, while the transition to free higher education requires a proper planning and resource allocation, the potential benefits of individuals and society are too significant to ignore. It is strategic investment in human capital, promoting social equity, fostering economic growth, and strengthening democratic institutions. The long-term economic and social returns will outweigh the initial cost, making free higher education a necessary step towards a more equitable and prosperous future. Thank you once again. Good day.